In every era of conflict, one truth remains: control of the skies and the seas determines the balance of power. From the thunder of jet engines to the silent glide of destroyers cutting across open water, modern militaries rely on machines of extraordinary complexity. Today, we journey into the world of military jets and naval ships, how they work, what they can do, and the people who operate them. Military aviation changed forever the moment jets replaced propellers. Suddenly, aircraft streaked across the sky faster than sound. Nations raced to build fighters that could climb higher, strike harder, and react faster than anything before. The Cold War became a proving ground for this new technology. As the U.S. fielded agile interceptors, the Soviet Union responded with rugged, fast-climbing fighters of their own. What began as simple speed competitions evolved into something far more sophisticated: the creation of air dominance machines capable of detecting and engaging threats from miles away. The sky was no longer just a place to fly, was a battlefield to be won. Today's fighter jets are technology condensed into steel and wings. The F-35, the Eurofighter, Typhoon, the Su-57, the J-20 each represents the cutting edge of national defense. Stealth coatings absorb radar waves, making them nearly invisible to enemy sensors. Internal weapon bays eliminate visible signatures, hiding their lethal cargo until the last possible moment. Advanced sensors allow pilots to see threats before they even appear on a traditional radar screen. As one pilot described it, when you're in the cockpit, you're not flying a machine, you're wearing it. The jet becomes part of you. With thrust vectoring nozzles, some modern fighters can pivot in mid-air, performing maneuvers once thought impossible. They can turn harder, climb steeper, and dodge missiles with breathtaking agility. But not all jets are designed to dogfight. Some carry a different but equally vital mission, delivering decisive strikes. Attack jets like the A-10 Thunderbolt to fly low and slow. A profile ideal for supporting ground troops in close-quarters combat. Strategic bombers, on the other hand, operate at high altitude and long range, able to cross continents undetected. They carry payloads capable of ending wars, or more importantly, preventing them from starting. As one historian put it, bombers aren't just weapons, they're political tools. Their very presence can change the outcome of negotiations. And with the advent of precision weaponry, a single aircraft can now destroy multiple targets with extraordinary accuracy, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing impact. Behind every jet stands a dedicated team: engineers, technicians, commanders, and pilots who train for thousands of hours to master their craft. Modern simulators replicate everything from turbulence to complex missile evasion scenarios, all at a fraction of the cost of real flight time. They provide a safe environment to push the limits. A pilot trainee recalled the experience, saying, "You never forget your first takeoff. Everything shakes, the runway disappears. Then, it's just you in the sky." A jet's true power comes not just from its engines or its weapons, but from the highly skilled people who command them. For centuries, the sea has been the highway of empires and the lifeblood of global trade. From wooden ships powered by wind to steel warships armed with guided missiles, maritime power remains the backbone of global security. Modern navies are tasked with defending coastlines, escorting vital trade routes, and responding to humanitarian crises anywhere on Earth. The mission is vast, and the tools to accomplish it are some of the most impressive feats of engineering ever conceived. At the heart of today's fleets are destroyers and frigate swift, versatile warships built for a multitude of roles, packed with advanced radar systems, anti-ship missiles, and layered defensive weapons. They patrol contested waters and act as the primary guardians for larger vessels like aircraft carriers. A naval officer explained their role. "Our destroyers act like the shield for the fleet. If danger is out there, we find it first." Using sophisticated arrays, these ships can track aircraft, submarines, and incoming missiles from hundreds of miles away, creating a protective bubble around the fleet. But what about the threats you can't see? Silent, hidden, and lethal, submarines are among the most dangerous military platforms ever created. Nuclear-powered versions can stay submerged for months at a time, their endurance limited only by the crew's food supplies. Ballistic missile submarines carry a nation's ultimate deterrent weapons meant never to be used, but always ready. Life underwater is a world apart. As one submariner shared, days blurred together. The world above becomes distant. but you understand the importance of the mission. Using modern sonar, crews can listen to the ocean's symphony, identifying other ships by the faint, unique acoustic footprint of their propellers. Few machines on Earth symbolize raw power like an aircraft carrier, an 80,000-ton floating airbase. It projects force across entire oceans, enabling a nation to launch air operations from anywhere in the world. Life on the flight deck is a masterclass in controlled chaos. Every movement is choreographed with incredible precision. Jets launching from steam catapults, helicopters landing with supplies, and crews moving with a synchronized rhythm. A carrier commander described it as, "When the deck gets busy, it's like controlled chaos. Every second counts." Carriers never travel alone. They move with an escort of destroyers, cruisers, and supply ships, forming a powerful carrier strike group. The next generation of military power is already emerging, and it looks very different. Unmanned drones are flying missions once reserved for pilots, taking on dangerous surveillance and strike roles. Autonomous vessels are beginning to patrol coastlines without any crew aboard. Hypersonic missiles, traveling at over 5 times the speed of sound, are challenging existing defense systems. And artificial intelligence is helping commanders analyze overwhelming amounts of data, identifying threats faster than any human could. Even with all this advanced technology, the fundamental mission stays the same: to protect, deter, and defend. From the deafening roar of a fighter jet taking off to the deep, steady rumble of a battleship's engine. These incredible machines reflect the world that built them. They are symbols of strength, guardians of nations, and powerful reminders of humanity's relentless push toward innovation. As long as the skies and seas continue to shape the fate of nations, these jets and ships will stand watch, powerful, vigilant, and ever-evolving. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.